Oh, Mom, take this one.
Okay.
Here, I've been hogging it. This one is real easy to drive.
Okay. I thought it was going to spin all the way around. Did I break it?
There she goes.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, you're fine. It's totally fine. That one's pretty quick. Oh. Oh. Oh, Mom did too. Oh, Mom. Oh.
We busted two of them. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Ooh,
The steering snapped and broke.
Suspension.
Jesus.
I had an awesome low-key birthday weekend with my parents and girlfriend. I grabbed a backpack full of drones and RC cars, headed over to my parents' house because they live in a new subdivision that has freshly paved roads, long straightaways, but guess what? No houses or people to get in the way, so you can really open up RC cars and drones. So in today's footage, you're going to see my dad buzzing around on his beach cruiser while flying a DJI drone to catch some aerial footage, as my mom, girlfriend, and I are driving some entry-level hobby-grade RC cars from Amazon. These are not very expensive, especially for hobby-grade RC cars, and replacement parts are plentiful, which I'm thankful for because my parents destroyed 2 of the 3 cars I brought pretty quickly. But I had an absolute blast. It was a great way to spend my birthday outdoors on a beautiful day with the people I love. There's going to be no commentary during the Sunday Fun Day footage. However, I do want to clarify a couple of things up front. The slightly larger buggy with a teal and orange body shell is a 1/18 Amoril buggy from Amazon, which goes for $150, completely bone stock. And the smaller buggy with the lime green body or shell, that is a WLToys A959-B, which is the brushless version. I also brought a WLToys A959 non-brushless version with a blue body. However, I did not capture any footage of driving that buggy, but there will be a comprehensive review of all of these RC cars on the Humble Garage channel. Also, the footage that you're hearing and seeing in this video is captured on 2 cameras. The first one is a GoPro Hero 10 Black with the Media Mod case mounted on a chest rig, set in 4K 30 super wide view, hyper smooth image stabilization on standard, and the Media Mod's front microphone capturing audio. Then on my head or noggin, I also had a GoPro Hero 4 capturing 4K 30 and internal audio inside of a sealed case. The easiest way to differentiate the footage between these 2 action cams is the lower angle that shows the controller and also is a lot more smooth of an image is on the chest rig, which is the Hero 10, and the camera that moves around constantly because it is attached to my head is the Hero 4 with no image stabilization. And the picture quality is just slightly less crisp. It is still 4K 30, however, it is noticeably less detailed. Enjoy the footage and stick around to the end because I have a couple of lessons learned if you're going to get new, inexperienced RC car drivers to drive your RC cars without crashing them.
Yeah, you can drive, Mom.
Yep.
So this is the trigger here, and this is going to be your gas, as you can see. And depending on how hard you squeeze it, that's how fast you're going to go.
Woo.
And then to brake, if you need to, see how it's rolling right now?
Yeah.
If you push forward, that'll hit the
Brake.
And then this is your steering here, so left and right.
Okay.
There she goes.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, you're fine. It's totally fine. It's fun, huh? I don't want that either. Let go. Oh, Mom. Oh, Mom. Oh, God. Careful, Mom.
I'm sorry.
You're going to kill my girlfriend.
Did that hurt? A little bit. I'm so sorry. At least it was the back of the foot, not the front. It's actually super fun.
It is.
It just gravitates toward ankles.
It does. It does. Its natural habitat is eating ankles. Oh, that was sick. quick. I've got another car in my backpack, Mom.
Okay. Ooh, I like the blue one.
Yeah, this is for you, Mom.
I love it. I'm having so much fun.
Same.
I like the paint job on it. These are my colors.
Where's your car? Okay. Yeah, dude, where's your car? We just watched that the other day.
Uh-oh.
I'm good. It started pulling to one side for a minute.
I'm too slow.
Image stabilization test. Oh, might be out of battery almost. Nah, it's still quick. That's so much fun. Range isn't too good on that one.
That doesn't make sense. It's the fastest one, but it goes out of range the quickest.
I know. I need to change the transmitter on it.
Oh, goddamn. Oh, my God.
Woo, that thing came in fast.
Oh, it got me.
Sorry.
Right over here somewhere.
Yes, correct.
Perfect. Okay. I'm going to stand in the I don't know what I did with this one. I messed this one up.
I'm gonna launch off. Ready?
Yep.
You want to try it? Oh, Mom, take this one.
Okay.
Here, I've been hogging it. This one is real easy to drive.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. Maybe not that easy to drive. Oh. Jesus Christ.
I thought it was going to spin all the way around. Did I break it?
Yeah, but they're meant to be broken and repaired. It's not drivable at the moment now. Oh, some of the bolts pulled out. Oh yeah, the
Kevin,
bolt
I'm
pulled
so
out of there.
sorry.
It's okay.
Oh my God, I'm reckless.
That's okay.
Put it down. Are you sure it won't go?
Yeah, Mom, the suspension's shot.
I broke it.
He can't hear you, I don't think. I don't think this record audio.
It's broken.
Isn't that cool?
Yes. I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's totally fine. That was so cool.
If I hold it.
Yeah, it's pretty much lost range right here. That sucks. That's not far at all. Oh yeah, true.
That one might have better range.
Yeah, it might. I'll try that right now.
Mike's having a blast.
Hell yeah.
If I hold it. I mean, it's closed enough to work. I mean, it's closed enough. It's not going to come out.
Did you drive any of the RC cars yet? Or you been flying the drone the whole time?
I've got lots of footage.
Did you want to drive some though?
Oh, I'm cool.
Oh, they're fun.
The trigger's the accelerator,
Okay.
and then forward is brake, and then left and right is your steering. And that one's pretty quick.
Oh. Oh.
And that one's pretty quick.
Oh.
That's what Mom did too.
Oh,
What Mom did too.
We busted two. Happy birthday!
Thank you. Ooh,
The steering snapped in.
suspension.
Jesus. Yeah, I'll send the footage to you and you can edit
Yes.
it however you want.
Can you hold
He's
this?
not to be trusted either.
Oh, I told him I didn't want to, but he insisted.
I forced it on him.
Let's go in and buy a new one.
No, it's fine.
No, it's not.
Why does that
Told you I
mean-
shouldn't have driven
That's
it.
exactly what I did, I
Damn.
bet.
I'm going home with no RC cars.
That little one flies.
Yeah, it does.
All right.
All right, hopefully you enjoyed that footage of me spending some quality time with my family and the WLToys A959 as well as the Amoril buggy. Now, a couple of quick lessons learned. First of all, the Amoril buggy does have a throttle trim on the controller, which you can cut back or limit the maximum throttle. So if it's a child or newer RC driver, the maximum throttle will be limited. Also, these buggies did come with an optional foam larger bumper, which extends past the front wheels. And I should have installed that because that would have probably saved a couple of my cars. All in all, though, I just wanted to go out there and have a good time with my folks, and that's exactly what we did. I'm not upset whatsoever that these cars got thrashed because the A959, I was actually going to disassemble and end up discarding all the stock parts for an all-aluminum frame, suspension, drivetrain, etc., as there is a relatively inexpensive all-aluminum kit on eBay, as well as a couple of other RC hobbyist websites as well. So really, my parents just helped me break the stock parts so I could replace them with non-factory upgraded parts. That's always been my motto. When you break something, use it as an opportunity to upgrade. Honey, the lawnmower won't start. I'll be at Home Depot getting a new one.